gosh. All so tight.
Yeah, that's like where it is.
You should just have your child grab onto your leg. My daughter's already going
She didn't care.
Really good. I can like feel that big pull though.
Yeah.
That's right where it
That's what
is.
you need.
Yeah.
Yeah, this side doesn't feel nearly as tight.
Yeah.
Okay.
One more time in and out for me. All right, lay in your side facing a little bit more. There you go. That's easy today. Bring this hip forward. Awesome. Let's cup your back. It really doesn't bother it, correct?
No.
Cool. How does that feel? Good?